And it got really warm. Really? Yeah. I would say good enough.
Sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try.
Ooh. Not bad, not bad, not bad. You wanna see the shot?
Anyone wants a Ferries on Film sticker, just come get one right now, or I'll just give it and pass it around. And there will be more coming. Cole's gonna order more. And tag your photos. We love to share meetup stories, so if you take something on your phone, videos, whatever, tag us in it and we'll share it.
Please follow all instructions given by the crew. Life jackets may be found underneath the bench seats in the passenger cabin, in lockers on the sun deck, and in drop-ins at the base of the stairwells on the car deck. To learn more about donning the life jackets or other shipboard emergency responses, ask any of the member or receive information at the passenger assembly stations. Passengers may have special needs.
I don't know if that's good. My name is Mikey. I'm out here with Ferries on Film, and I'm shooting this Nikon Light Touch that I picked up for about 90 bucks on eBay. And I'm shooting with some Cosmo Photo 100. It's nice black and white film. And let's see how these shots turn out.
My name is DAQUAN Terrence, and I'm here for this Ferries on Film little meetup. It's pretty solid. Having a good time. It's the first one. I'm not shooting film, unfortunately, but I got my Sony A7, good old trusty 35 mil. I'm just out here vibing. If I can give some words of wisdom today, compassion. Just be compassionate with the people around you, your loved ones, strangers. You never know whose day you can turn around.
Hi, I'm Whitney, and today I'm shooting on my Leica M3. Something that I love about film is that I feel it captures the world in a way that I see it. It's got kind of a magical quality. It's a little ethereal, and I think that it's just something that I can't replicate in any other medium. So I love it, and I think everybody should love it too.
Let's go.
Oh, let's get that?
My name is CJ Marshall. I'm shooting with the Hasselblad 501c today. Fun fact about me is I'm from Miami, Florida. I've been in Seattle about 6 years now. And sort of piece of advice I would say about film and shooting with film is to embrace imperfection. Because in the beginning I was so caught up with all the hype around digital cameras and just chasing the most perfect image. But sometimes, you know, the most beautiful images are created from the most imperfect circumstances.
Like those documentaries where they're like, where are they now? And it's like, everything's good.
Thank you.
Drivers and passengers, return to your vehicles. For safety and health reasons, do not start your engine until directed by a crew member. Log on passengers.
Leave anything, right? Not that ass he's talking about. He was like, you guys don't have time for another shot.
There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah, always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me, and I'll help you carry some of that weight. I wanna make you understand, let you know that there's always a helping hand. 'Cause I know we can make it, yeah we can make it if we try. Yes we can